Number 1, introducing the 1966 Ford Mustang Coupe, a symbol of American automotive heritage and a dream for classic car enthusiasts. This iconic coupe comes in a bold red exterior that captures the spirit of the Mustang's legacy. Under the hood, it boasts a 302 cubic inch V8 engine paired with a 4-speed manual transmission, offering the power and control that defined the muscle car era. With only 25,000 miles on the odometer, this car presents a unique opportunity to own a low-mileage classic. Its clean title and solid condition make it a fantastic starting point for restoration or customization, while still being drivable in its current state. Though the car requires some work, it comes complete and ready to be transformed into a show-stopping classic. This timeless piece of automotive history is priced at $10,000 and is located in Upton, Massachusetts. For more details, be sure to explore the link provided. Number 2. Next up is the 1952 Ford Tudor sedan, a remarkable example of mid-century American craftsmanship. This vintage gem features a sleek blue exterior that exudes classic elegance, and it retains its clean title, ensuring a seamless ownership experience. Powering this beauty is a 49 flathead motor, replacing the original engine and offering robust performance. With a smooth automatic transmission and rear-wheel drive, this sedan delivers both reliability and style. It has been partially converted from a 6-volt to a modern 12-volt system, making it more practical for today's standards. The odometer reads 50,000 miles, indicating it has been well preserved over the years. This vehicle is in running condition, ready to hit the road or serve as a perfect candidate for a detailed restoration. Priced at $10,000, this classic Ford is located in Kitsap, Washington. Don't miss out, check the link for further information. Presenting the 1976 Lincoln Continental Mark IV, a luxurious sedan that defines elegance and sophistication. With a powerful V8 engine and smooth automatic transmission, this classic car offers an unparalleled driving experience. The exterior, finished in a beautiful shade of blue, enhances its timeless appeal, while the odometer reading of 80,000 miles reflects its well-maintained condition. The interior is equally refined, showcasing the exceptional craftsmanship of its era. Although it requires a carburetor rebuild, this car runs and drives exceptionally well with no overheating issues. Known for its spacious cabin and plush ride, the Mark IV remains a favorite among luxury classic car collectors. Priced at $10,000, this pristine Lincoln is located in Bay City, Michigan. Be sure to visit the link for additional details. Number 4. Introducing the 1964 Ford Thunderbird convertible, a classic that radiates charm and timeless beauty. This vintage vehicle, featuring a white exterior and a clean title, remains untouched by restoration, making it an authentic piece of automotive history. Under the hood lies a reliable V8 engine, paired with an automatic transmission, ensuring a smooth and enjoyable ride. While the convertible top currently requires repair, the Thunderbird is drivable and serves as an ideal restoration project for those seeking to restore a classic to its former glory. With its iconic design and luxurious interior, this Thunderbird is a great opportunity to own a piece of automotive history. Priced at $8,500, it is located in Ashland City, Tennessee. Explore the link for more information. Number 5. Next is the 1970 Dodge Charger, a muscle car icon with a compelling history. Originally a Charger 500 in B3 blue with a white top, This classic has undergone significant upgrades, including a 1969 front end and a performance-built 1971 440 cubic inch V8 engine. Enhancements include ISCI solid lifters, an ISCI adjustable valve train, a talker intake, and a 750 dp carburetor. It also features front disc brakes, Caltrac bars, a fresh 834 rear end with 3.91 gears and a new gas tank, ensuring it's road-ready. While some alignment work and rust repair around the back glass and floor pans are needed, the car is a drivable hot rod, ready to thrill its next owner. Priced at? This Charger is located in Raleigh, North Carolina. For more information, follow the link provided. Number 6. Introducing the 1971 Chevrolet Monte Carlo, a cherished classic with deep family roots.
Purchased new by the seller's grandfather, this coupe has been garage-kept since 2005, preserving its integrity.
It features a turbo 350 transmission and a 12-bolt rear end, ensuring durability and performance. The odometer reads 176,812 miles, with the vehicle retaining its original, incomplete small block 350 engine. Included with the sale, the car's floor pans are solid, and while it needs minor repairs, such as a radiator and fan cowling installation, it's an excellent project for restoration enthusiasts. Priced at $7,000, this Monte Carlo is located in Lee's Summit, Missouri. Check out the link for further details. Number 7. Meet the 1964 Buick Electra 225 convertible, a luxurious classic awaiting its next chapter. With a clean title and a powerful V8 engine, this rear-wheel drive convertible offers a smooth and refined ride. Its striking blue exterior hints at the elegance and style that defined the Buick brand. While the car is in running condition, it serves as an excellent restoration project for enthusiasts looking to bring back its original glory. Priced at $7,000, this Buick is located in Torrance, California. For more information, be sure to follow the link provided. Number 8. Introducing the 1967 Datsun Roadster 1600, a charming convertible that combines agility and vintage appeal. Powered by a 4-cylinder engine and a 4-speed manual transmission, this car delivers a fun and engaging driving experience. The white exterior complements its sporty character, and while the soft top requires replacement, the vehicle includes a hard top for added versatility. The interior is in fair condition, with a cracked dash, and it will need minor repairs like balancing the tires and replacing the heater core. With 59,365 miles on the odometer, this Roadster is priced at $5,000 and located in Sanders, Arizona. For additional details, check the link provided. Number 9. Presenting the 1967 Buick Electra 225, a luxurious sedan offering both performance and refinement. With a V8 engine, automatic transmission, and just 101,100 original miles, this car is a true testament to Buick's commitment to quality. The interior is exceptionally clean, complemented by modern updates like a Bluetooth stereo, while the classic dashboard remains intact. Recent mechanical updates include a new timing chain, radiator and water pump, ensuring reliable performance. Priced at $7,800, this Buick is available in Gary, Indiana. Explore the link for further details. Number 10. Introducing the 1951 Ford Custom, a unique sedan that embodies the spirit of post-war American innovation. It features a 100-horsepower flathead V8 engine paired with a 4-speed manual transmission, providing a spirited driving experience. The car has been customized with a 1,950 seconds Mercury grille and an actuator system for door operation, adding a touch of modern convenience. While it requires some work, including fixing the odometer cable and other minor repairs, it's an excellent candidate for restoration. Priced at $8,000, this vehicle is located in Mulberry, Florida. For more information, check the link provided. Number 11. Introducing the 1948 Chevrolet Fleetline, a classic project car that offers incredible potential for restoration enthusiasts. This German helmet model is equipped with a 216 inline engine paired with a manual transmission, showcasing vintage engineering at its best. With only 1,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle boasts a clean title, making it an attractive choice for collectors. While some work is needed to restore it to its former glory, the seller has ensured all necessary documentation is in hand. This rare gem is a remarkable opportunity to transform a timeless classic into a showpiece. Priced at $6,800, the location is unknown. Don't miss the chance to explore this incredible find. For more details, visit the link in the description to learn more about this rare project. Number 12. Step into the world of classic American muscle with the 1969 Ford Mustang Coupe Grande, a stunning blend of raw power and timeless style. Beneath its hood lies a recently rebuilt 351 cubic inch Windsor engine, delivering 240 horsepower with under 2,000 miles since its rebuild. While the automatic transmission requires repair and the interior needs some attention, this car presents a fantastic opportunity for restoration. Registered as non-operational, it features good tires and retains its striking presence. Located in Merced, California, and priced at $9,000, this iconic Mustang awaits its next chapter. Explore this classic today. For more information and details about the restoration possibilities, check out the link in the description. Number 13. Next up is the 1964 Ford Galaxie 500 XL, a rare classic that's sure to turn heads. With a 352 volts 8 engine and automatic transmission, this car runs and drives exceptionally well. The odometer reads 43,800 miles, and the vehicle comes with a clean title. All the original trim and moldings are included, along with new tires, making it an easy project to restore this beauty to its original splendor. Priced at $8,000 and located in Lakeland, Florida, this Galaxie 500 XL is a fantastic find for any collector or enthusiast. To get more information on the condition and potential of this classic, visit the link in the description. Number 14. Discover the 1969 Buick Skylark Custom Convertible, a roadworthy classic with plenty of potential. It features a well-maintained engine, a new radiator, and a recent brake job. Although the transmission needs attention, the car includes a convertible top kit and additional parts like quarter panels and a sourced hood. With a clean title and a strong engine, this Skylark is a perfect restoration project for those eager to own a piece of American automotive history. Located in Nampa, Idaho, and priced at $8,000, this car is waiting for its next owner. For more details about the car's condition and the restoration process, follow the link in the description. Number 15. Introducing the 1965 Ford Thunderbird convertible, a classic that captures the essence of vintage American luxury. Featuring a striking red exterior and powered by an 8-cylinder engine with an automatic transmission, this car offers a smooth driving experience. While the engine runs well, it does use oil, and the transmission requires some repair. The convertible top mechanism and brakes have been upgraded, ensuring functionality. Priced at $8,500 and located in Knoxville, Tennessee, this Thunderbird offers an excellent opportunity for enthusiasts seeking a rewarding restoration project. For further details on the restoration potential and to view additional photos, click the link in the description. Number 16. This is the 1966 Ford Mustang, a one-owner classic preserved with care, with its white exterior and contrasting red interior. This garage-kept car is powered by a reliable inline 6-cylinder engine paired with an automatic transmission. It runs and drives perfectly, with all gauges and lights in working order. Having spent its life in California, it's completely free of rust. Priced at $9,500 and located in Fresno, California, this Mustang is an outstanding choice for collectors seeking a pristine example of this iconic model. To learn more about this Mustang's history and condition, be sure to visit the link in the description. Number 17, presenting the 1939 Ford Sedan, an elegant classic restored to retain its original style. It features a small block Chevy V8 engine paired with a 3-speed manual transmission and boasts rust-free construction. The paint is in fair condition, and recent updates include a new gas tank. Running and driving well, this vintage vehicle offers a delightful mix of history and functionality. Priced at $7,750, it is located in Tucson, Arizona. Don't miss the opportunity to own this charming piece of automotive history. To discover more details on the restoration and upkeep of this vehicle, visit the link in the description. Number 18, explore the 1970 Lincoln Continental, a luxurious classic with only 43,000 miles on the odometer. Powered by a 460 engine producing 365 horsepower, this car is in excellent structural condition, free from rot or rust. While it requires attention after being off the road for several years, the interior is in immaculate shape, showcasing no rips or cracks. Located in Monroe Township, New Jersey, and priced at $7,500, this Lincoln represents the pinnacle of vintage luxury. For more information and pictures of this Continental, click on the link in the description to find out more. Number 19, next up is the 1959 Nash Metropolitan, a compact classic that's both charming and mechanically sound. Fully stock, It features new components, including a radiator, water pump, and distributor. The body and chrome are in great condition, and it has been freshly repainted. Enhanced with upgraded sway bar kits, this car offers a delightful driving experience. Located in Rancho Cucamonga, California, and priced at $9,500, this Metropolitan is a unique collector's item that's ready to impress. For more details on the car's condition and to see more photos, check out the link in the description. Number 20. Here we have the 1974 Lincoln Continental, a well-preserved classic with only 62,000 miles. Powered by a 460 engine, this car remains all original and is entirely free of rust or rot. With a clean title, it is ready to drive and enjoy as is or serve as the foundation for a restoration. Priced at $6,700 and located in Monroe Township, New Jersey, this Continental is a fantastic opportunity for enthusiasts seeking classic luxury. To learn more about the car's features and condition, click the link in the description for further details.